Hello everyone, lalo na sa mga friends and kakilala, and happy weekend sa lahat. And I'm just happy to announce that my book is coming soon, and it's a story of a little girl who went through a lot and went through an ugly family dynamic. So a lot of my friends also told me it's a heart-pounding and chilling story. So I hope you can grab a copy of it, and it will be available in 5 days for like $2.99. Well, anyway, may alam ka bang kaibigan or kakilala naghahanap ng yaya or kasambahay galing probinsya? Yan ang kadalasan natin naririnig, lalo na itong pinaka-in-demand na trabaho sa ating bansa. At dahil na rin sa kahirapan, ang mga batang babae or itong mga kakagraduate lang ng high school ay hindi handa sa professional na trabaho or kolehiyo. So silang unang nare-recruit ng ganitong trabaho at sasabihin ng magulang, ay, ang anak ko na lang ang magtatrabaho sa inyo kasi kilala ko naman yan si Maring. So they don't know that what these women or worker are facing behind closed doors or in the hands of other people. During times of abuse, these workers were silenced, didn't know how to defend their rights, were voiceless and scared. And also, let's talk about different kinds of abuses, either sexual, verbal, physical, emotional, psychological, and a natural exploitation, or hindi binabayaran ng tama. That's why I wrote this book to call out parents that they also need to be responsible to look after the welfare of these children or these workers and have an honest communication with them, because sometimes they are silent, right? So, and I also have a cost on this book, and hope you can grab a copy of it. It's a very interesting story, and there's a lot of anticipation of it. And I'm also, may layunin ako sa librong ito to shed light on these victims of abuse and who were silenced for a very long time and silenced right now, and also to raise awareness for the future generations of children na may tapat sa trabahong ito. So hope you can grab a copy, and I'm just happy to announce about it. So please like, share, and follow, and also keep up to date with my book, and thank you very much.